It's a brand new Lamborghini Urus, protected with a Ghost 2 immobiliser. We've done something different on this, so if a thief got the key, went to put it in gear, it's going to cut out and the engine's going to die. If they try again, it's not going to start. If they give it a minute, try put it in gear, it's going to cut out. So for the customer, what they got to do when they get in the vehicle, start it up, go for a unique code 1, 2, 3, 4 we have for now. Get a double flash and then select their gear. For the customer to change the code, ignition on, do their code 1, 2, 3, 4, get a double flash, foot to the floor in the accelerator, 1, 2, 3, 4, our code again. When the indicator starts to flash, we'll lift our foot and we can change the code. So we'll just change to 1, 2, 3, 4, get a triple flash, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we're going to get a double flash. That's the code set, we can turn the vehicle off. If they're taking it for a service, what they'll do is start the car up, pop their code in, get the double flash as usual to confirm it's them. Now go to the driver's window, press it 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get 5 flashes. And now it's in service mode. So now when it goes back to Lamborghini, just give them the key. They can drive it around the workshop, road test it like a normal vehicle, put it in gear, it's not going to cut out. When you get it back, get your foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop your code in, get your double flash, and the vehicle's protected. So now if someone tries to steal it, gets in, selects a gear, vehicle cuts out. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 212 7393. We're a Immobiliser fit and it's a Lamborghini Urus, protected with a Ghost 2 immobiliser. On this one we've done a different setup. Thanks for watching.